Hi guys, chart of the day for June 24, Tuesday, Euro USD. So currently, yung price tinetest niya itong resistance level na to after magkaroon ng aggressive rally yesterday. So ito yung support level natin previously, no? So nag-hold yan and then nagkaroon tayo ng rally. So may two possible scenario akong tinitignan dito, which is inline pa rin naman dun sa bullish directional bias ng Euro USD. So number one, pwedeng mag-hold yung price dito, mag-consolidate for a while and then mag-break out. So that would be continuation to the upside. And then number two is mag-farm tayo dito ng range. So magkaroon tayo ng rejection dito. So short term, pwede tayong makakita ng decline back towards this level and then dito tayo maghanap ng buying opportunity. So that would be a range play na more in line pa rin with the bullish bias. Okay? So yun lang guys for this video. Good luck and trade safe.